We just playing with him on this one, yeah.
Why? Yeah. Fuck niggas hate me. See, I'm back on that bitch in the 580. See, I'm back on this bitch in the 9-4, baby. I ball on this bitch like Tracy McGrady. I'm trying to see why these fuck niggas hate me. I'm trying to see why these hoes trying to play me. Back in this bitch straight out the 580. Play for the Bows, I go hit the highway. Smoking on dough, what they call it some Zyway. Playing with mine, then your ass gotta die way. You fuckin' with me or you fuck with the ops, you gon' ride way. Don't fuck with these niggas no more. I ain't gon' lie, bitch, I need me 100 bows. Nigga no cap, I need me 100 hoes. Walk down, I need me 100 poles. Walk down, turn blank like you seen the ghost. I'm the reaper in this bitch and I take your soul. Think with your dick, she gon' get the low. Then she gon' bring it back to me cause she wants some more. Winter was hot, this summer get cold. Playing with mines, your ass gonna fold. You harder than me, bitches you slow. I should've knocked your ass down a minute ago. They say Corbo, is you done though? Nah, I'm back on that bitch tryna run up a hundo. Creepin' the night, see a op, he gon' run though. I like when the ops run, that shit be fun though. Get rich or die trying. I get to that bank, get that money, keep grinding. I'm on some money, bitch, what's on your timing? I got your bitch on my dick and she do what I say like I'm Simon. Let me go change up the topic. Play with mine, we taking yo's with that rocket. Plugged in with Mexico with no socket. Man, he can't know we gon' slide with that rocket. I say it again, bitch, I stay on my vatos. Walk down on the eye, we tryna pop those. Yeah, the whole baby can't take her to pop it though. Rather go re-up on motherfucking balls. Only want money so I can go flip it. I'm back on that bitch tryna run us some digits. Back on that bitch tryna run us some business. Niggas turn rats, real life can't do the sentence. I'm back in the city, so what's the business? If I slide in that bitch, no, I ain't missing. Fell in love with the Glock, I just want digits. I cannot stop till my little niggas get it. I put you on, nigga, just listen. Go get an O, then go flip it. Break it down by the G, now you get it. Go grab a P, do the same thing with it. Let me tell you a story, fuck op hoes. Nigga, I don't quit to go block though. Wait till I catch your ass up with that Glock though. Walk down, he got caught by the vato. Good though, tap in. We got packs and we got the racks in. Sit back and think about them days in the pen. I ain't gon' lie, I gotta shake back bitch. You heard what I said, I don't fuck with no op hoes. Nigga, I'm quick to go block hoes. Fuck what you saying, that little bitch a thought though. Pull up on your block with them sticks, we gon' rock though. If I pull up with that motherfucking chopper, I hit your ass, now your bitch ass need a doctor. Whipping that dope up like pasta. Hit your main nigga off the roster. Get kicked in this bitch, I ain't talking no soccer. I gave that bitch dick, then I had to go block her. Tryna be hot on the bitch like Chewbacca. Put your ass up in the space like your partner. Niggas be capped, don't get bankroll. Nigga, we thuggin' like shit, Saints Row. Slide your block and it look like some paint though. Fuck a peso, tryna get to the peso. Lay your ass down, blood look like a lake though. Man, these nigga be bitches, they fake though. Talk a little crumbo, you know we gon' lay though. What's on your Glock, call that bitch a potato. Why? Yeah, fuck niggas hate me. See, I'm back in this bitch in the 580. See, I'm back in this bitch pushing packs out the 9-4, baby. What's on your mind been real blank lately? I ain't gon' lie, hope my own self save me. 4 pockets full, get them racks like lil' baby. I'm flashing this dope till they take me, I hate me. Fuck you. Y'all niggas ain't on shit. Bitch, you a op, you can't hop on my song, bitch. Stressing, smoking dope, long day, bitch. You get locked up, you best play dumb, bitch. Fuck the feds, they ain't got no evidence. Fell in love with that money, dead president. Sitting here thinking, I'm thinking about how my mama just said that I'm motherfucking heaven sent. I want them fucking dead presidents. Want that money, you know we gon' get it, bitch. My niggas walk down, we gon' send the bliss. You next in this bitch tryna get them hit. Swerving this bitch and I miss all the potholes. Don't fuck with these bitches, these hoes be op hoes. Bitch, what I said, no, I'm quick to go block those. Creep, CBG, knock off your taco. We pushing up, you know we gon' map that. I got the dope, you can smell through the backpack. CPG catch a body, know we gon' rap that. Come for your quarter, I'm taking my sack back. I'm in the field, don't fuck with these peons. What Joe said, what you rep, what you bleed on. Say the wrong shit, then I know who to creep on. Piss on your grave, I don't fuck with them peons. 5, 5, 6 gon' get you. I wipe his nose like a motherfucking tissue. I'm taking your pack, I ain't sorry I bitched you. I really got sad when I slid back and missed you. El Chapo, bitch, we get the bricks through. Ain't talk about the heads, but you know we get shit through. Rolling your life with the dice, there's a risk too. Go drop a bag and my vatos gon' get you. Yeah, gang, nigga. Fuck those weed eyes, nigga. You know what the fuck going on, nigga. I'm gon' get you. What is? Yeah, big folks on, nigga.
We just playing with him on this one, yeah.